Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that securely managing your Ethereum is key. Today, I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send Ethereum from your Tangem wallet to Gemini. Whether you're cashing out or moving funds, this process is straightforward and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Tangem wallet app installed on your device, some Ethereum in your wallet, and a verified Gemini account with your wallet address ready. Always double-check your balances and accounts to avoid any hiccups. Crypto moves are irreversible. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and unlock it using your PIN or biometric authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, which is crucial in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Next, navigate to your Ethereum holdings. Select the amount you want to send. Remember, fees can vary, so keep an eye on the network costs. Ethereum transactions on the mainnet might take a bit due to congestion. Now, enter the recipient's address. That's your Gemini wallet address, which you can find in your Gemini account settings. Double-check this address to prevent any loss of funds. It's the most common mistake people make. Once you've confirmed the details, hit the Send button. You'll see a confirmation screen. Review everything one last time. After approval, the transaction will be broadcast to the Ethereum network. Sit tight while it processes. In 2025, with potential upgrades like Ethereum 3.0, transactions might be faster, but it could still take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's confirmed, check your Gemini account to see your Ethereum arrive. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets like Tangem for sensitive transfers to protect against hacks. And if you run into issues, Gemini's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.